The smell. Just the smell of Microsoft unboxing. I love it. I don't know why. Apple just, their products smell like nothing whenever I open it. All right, so it's finally time. I have the Surface Book 3 in hand. No more MacBooks, no more iPads. It's finally Microsoft's turn to have its face back on this channel. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy. Wi-Fi 6, tablet, laptop, you name it. Microsoft's got you covered. Ooh. Ooh. Microsoft products smell so good. Like good cologne. That's what it smells like. But that could be me. I don't know. Documentation, power adapter. Don't really need that stuff. Peel off the plastic. I don't know why I'm so careless with my devices. Jeez. It's like it wants me to break it. I really love this design. I like this hinge mechanism where it curves up so it's not completely flat. I actually like that idea because, at least for me, it makes it easier to hold, especially when it comes to a point, kind of like the MacBook Air. Let me test out the keyboard. Okay. It's nice. Okay, now I want to test out this feature where you push the button and it takes it out into the tablet mode. Do I have to hold it down? Oh! Wait, maybe I have to hold it down. Okay! I'm impressed. It's so light too. I'm impressed. Touchscreen as well, so
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
What's up, Cortana? I'm not a fan of how small this trackpad is. I mean, it's doable, but coming from the MacBook Pro down back to here, even the MacBook Air, this trackpad just seems a little bit too small for me, but it's doable. And I mean, you're probably gonna be using this as a tablet half the time, maybe like 20% of the time. One thing I forgot to do is tell you guys the ports that are on this thing. So on this side right here, we have the 2 USB-A ports as well as an SD card. So I know some people are going to love that instead of carrying around dongles for the USB-C ports that are on MacBooks. But then on the other side, we have a USB-C port. Unfortunately, it is not Thunderbolt 3. And then we also have the proprietary power adapter from Microsoft. I'm not a fan. Microsoft, just please make it a USB-C so we can just charge a laptop with a single cable. I don't think it's right to have people charge using your specific cable. That's just my little note. But this mechanism of undocking is just so cool. I feel like the world is in my hands using this. So this is what it looks like, the keyboard on the screen. Let me turn it in a landscape mode so you guys can see. So it's a pretty big display for you guys. So I'm going to install Brave. I really like how Microsoft has implemented this product altogether, where if you need your dedicated graphics or just a little bit more horsepower from your graphical component of the computer and the battery life, you gotta dock it back. But your CPU is all up in this biz at the top. I do wish they offered it in more colors though. I do like this silver finish. I actually do like it because it does make for a good typing experience. And I was harping on the trackpad at the beginning, how it was small, but it has a very satisfying click. I'll let you guys listen to it. It just has that nice satisfying click, but I'm a person who just likes to tap anyway and get a feel of the keyboard. First one, typing.com. And like I said, I'm not the best typer in the world, so if I suck, I apologize. But I will try my best. Tiny poison dart frogs. All right, let's get started. Ooh, gotta stretch for this one. Let me move the keyboard back and let's begin. Ooh, I am messing up already. I love the keyboard already. Ooh. Typing is just, see, as soon as I start talking, I mess up. I was gonna say typing is very therapeutic for me. Like if you want me to write something for you, like I don't mind writing papers for people. If you just tell me what to write, like just start talking, I'll write it all down for you. But as you can see right now, like my brain, I don't know. I'm just making excuses. I suck at typing, okay? I apologize. That's all I can say. What I got from the keyboard, I actually love this keyboard. Is it better than the Magic keyboard? Maybe. Like I say, keyboards are subjective, but I do think this keyboard is really nice. So next, there's a sound it makes when it goes all the way back. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's the subtle things that get me. It's the subtle things. Where do we want to go today, guys? Let's go to the heart of Turkey. Wow, this guy recorded 3 hours. I mean, I feel like I'm in Turkey right now. That's pretty impressive. You do get the black bars at the top. It kind of gives you that theater feel. I actually don't mind that much. But, wow. Send me to Turkey for a day and a year on top of that. So a year and a day. This looks, first of all, I'm hungry just looking at this now. This looks so good. Oh, speakers. So it sounds like the speakers are just coming out from the sides right here. It's getting pretty toasty. I've got to say, this is a nice experience. And I got to do it one more time. Oh, the fact that I can do that, and it just feels so natural picking it up too. It's much lighter than I thought it was. Microsoft, you impress me all the time. All the time. I need to start using your products more. The MacBook, the iPad, this had a baby and it had Windows DNA inside. It's the book 3. It's the book 3. So I already know I'm gonna love this thing. So I need to spend some time with this. The smell, just the smell of Microsoft unboxing. I love it. I don't know why Apple their products smell like nothing whenever I open it. This is the Surface Book 3. So far, I'm impressed. I do wish it came in more colors, but the silver is nice, refined, professional. No real complaints, but offered in different colors, it would be nice, like black, blue, green. I'm just naming out colors at this point. Probably not anything practical for people. But this is Surface Book 3. I'm going to use it for a couple days because I just got it and wanted to give you guys my unboxing experience for it. I do think it is a very nice and compelling device. If you don't know if you want a tablet or a laptop for Windows, just get both. You know, you don't have to get the 2-in-1. Oh, this is also really cool. And then, boom. You got a pencil, you gotta start drawing. If you just wanna start tapping away on the screen, you got it. And it's like, it's comfortable and it's light. It's just, Microsoft's not thinking outside the box. The box just isn't there for them. So that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video. I'm going to use this a couple more days and give you guys my final thoughts on it. And as always, guys, much love. It smells so good. It smells like it's worth $1,300, $1,400, $1,500. It does. It just does. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the fact that I can do this, I love this thing. Microsoft, we need to start talking.